The error code E000001 on a Canon printer indicates a problem with the fuser unit, also known as the fixing assembly, which is responsible for heating and fusing toner onto paper, and occurs when there is a heating issue in the printer. This error can be caused by a power voltage variation, a faulty fuser unit, or a faulty thermistor. To fix the error, resetting the code is an option. Tap the Additional Functions button. Press the 2 and 8 buttons simultaneously. Tap the Additional Functions button again, then the Functions button, followed by the Clear and Air buttons, and finally OK. The printer will take approximately 2 minutes to reset. Another solution is to replace the fuser unit. Power off and unplug the printer. Let it cool down. Open the front cover. Remove the toner cartridge. Locate the fuser unit at the back of the printer, and check for damage. If damaged, it will need to be replaced. Replacing the thermistor is also an option, which involves removing the fixing assembly, fixing web, oil pan, and fixing harness cover, detaching the insulating plate, removing the thermistor harness, and replacing the old thermistor with a new one.